So these are really beautiful high-end little accessories to gardening. And there's something about it that just makes you want to garden. So they're all done in a beautiful kind of antique white kind of powder coating. You have this beautiful little tray that's made for, you know, to plant 3 different herbs in, and it's thyme and basil and parsley on the front. Those 3 little tins come in a little tray. They have the leather handles. This is perfect for a windowsill indoors. It's just absolutely, absolutely adorable. But we also have this adorable little storage box, and it says seed packet storage homegrown, again in the white with the leather handles, and it's so adorable. And you open this up, and there's actually some little compartments in there. So if you want to use this for something else, recipe cards or whatever it happens to be, absolutely. I think it's adorable whether you're really using it for seed packets or not. But I do think if you have seed packets, it's super cute. And then one of the things, you know, if you like to garden, I know that I love to grow tomatoes and they just grow like Jack and the Beanstalk, is you need the twine when it comes to staking them out, right? So this is the cutest little twine holder. It says how long is a piece of string, and it's twine in a tin. So yes, you can put more twine in this when you run out of it, but it's just super cute. So all 3 are done in the same kind of ivory. All 3 are going to be adorable. All 3 are perfect for anyone who gardens. And if you want to get someone a gift that's going to make their springtime, this is definitely going to be it.